Hey guys, just wanted to share some information with you. I spoke to Mr. Wilson. He is a tech at CV, and the people who have school issued devices, I'm going to be sending out some information to you where you can do a link out to a calendar for Mr. Wilson, and he'll schedule a time with you to meet with him remotely to get Office installed on your school issued device. But he also suggested this. I know some people have had some trouble getting Office installed from Hack, that on the hub stuff. He did indicate that we have this as well, where you can install on your personal devices. Now, again, this will not work for a school issued device, but on your like home computer, something that you have that you did not get from school, you can do this. So what you can do is go out to office.com. This is the website right here. I'm going to go ahead and log in with this. I'm going to use my CV school account. So again, make sure you're using your school account, and then it should go back to your screen, your CV screen here. Go ahead and log in. And when you get out here, gang, this is pretty easy. I didn't realize this was here. There is an install Office option here where you can do your Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Again, when I look at this, again, it will allow you should go back and install what you need here for Hack with the Word, Excel, and Access. And then you'll have to log in with your CV Schools account. But this is an option certainly for you. Again, I'm sorry, I wish I would have known this earlier. It almost seems a little bit easier than doing Hack on the hub. But again, nonetheless, this is something you should take care of now so you're ready to go and we're ready to start working with Office here in a few weeks. Okay, so again, like I said, this is the installation process of Office that you can get through CV for PC users. Now, just to clarify again, we did talk about this in messages. If you have a Mac, the Office version does not include access. So again, you do need to seek out a loaner device. Now, again, that could be just another person in the family, or you could actually put a tech work order in at CV, and Mr. Wilson said that they would supply you one if you need one for those four chapters that we're doing in Access. So it's simply, it is in April, sort of end of April and May that we're going to need that. But again, you do want to act upon that now so you can plan accordingly. So there's four chapters that we do in Access. If you have a Mac, you do not have access to the program Microsoft Access. So you have to find a PC. So again, if you can get a PC, you can get Office loaded on it with Access. You also, if you don't have it availability on a PC, if you cannot find one, you can request one from school. But again, this is a tech work order. If you visit the cvschools.org website, you should be able to find this. Let me show you this here. So once you get out to the district website, you can go back here to, let me check underneath students here. You are simply looking for the work orders, the Tech Help Department Technology Help Desk. So this is where you put that work order in here, where you can go back and you can log in and you can actually put a work order in and get a school issued device. But again, you want to do that. Again, you don't have to do this today, but you don't want to wait too long so you're ready to go. But again, that's for a person who has a Mac and you cannot locate like a PC to use Access on it, just for those four couple chapters that we're doing here, and then also for the test. So anyway, just some help. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Please keep me posted on how you're making out with this, because again, this should not be something you should be struggling with when we're starting Word. You want to have this up, ready to go, logged in, 100% usable prior to that point in time. Again, so you can focus just on the content, not like having to wrestle with this and dealing with the headaches. Again, I understand that it's something that it's part of the course. Okay, so it's an expectation of learning how to install software. Again, that's part of what we're after with this. All right, guys, keep me posted on how you're making out with this. Take care. Bye.